Hello friends, good evening. My name is Shubham Rajaram Gudiwal and as my today's topic is types of queries in SQL. First of all, SQL. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. Is a performing on operation on a database. Okay. Many queries is used to SQL. First one is a DDL. DDL command is used. DDL is a data definition language. It is for DDL's commands also used to create command is used to also the create the table on a database and create syntax of create command create and create table name. Example of create table students. Create the students table, the create command. Okay. Second one is alter command. Alter command is used to modification of a table's data. Okay. Syntax is a alter and data name. Okay. Alter command is used. Third one is a drop command. Drop command is also used to delete the remove the table on a database. Is used to drop command. Syntax of drop command: drop table name. Okay. Example of drop table students. Okay. Remove the all students table. Okay. Third one is a truncate. Truncate command is also used to remove the data in a table of a table. Is used to truncate command. Syntax of truncate command: truncate and data name. Okay. Example: truncate and data name. Okay. Is used to is a truncate command. Okay. Fourth one is a rename. Rename command is also used to changing the name, rename on a data. Okay. It is all of the DDL command. Okay. Second one is a DML. DML is a data manipulation language. It is data manipulation language also used to. First is a select command is used to select the any data on a table, and operation on your database is also used to select command. For example, all students tables details display that time. Select command is used. Example: select star from students is it is command is used to all students details all display on the your table is used to select command. Okay. Second one is insert command. Insert command insert command is used to insert the data insert into the data in any information of your table is table and database is also used to insert command. Syntax: insert into table name and then value 1, value 2, value 3 is the syntax of insert command. Okay. Third one is update. Update command is also used to update the data data and information in your table and data table and row. Okay. Example of uh, uh, one students change the mobile number in your is table, that time used to update command. Okay. Fourth one is delete command. Delete command is also used to uh, delete the all data and table your database is a delete command also used. uh, all of you is all of is DML. Okay, third one is a DCL, data control language. Data control language is also used uh, to to queries, grant and revoke. Okay, fourth one is a TCL. TCL is a transaction control language. Okay, that's a three query command is used to TCL. First one is a commit, second is a rollback, third one is a save point. Okay, all it is a all on TCL. Then fifth command queries is a constraints. Constraints is a first one is a primary key. Primary key also used to uniquely key also used to uniquely value the information rows and table. Primary key also used to not not the repeat values on a row. It is also used to primary key. Then foreign key. Foreign key also used to uh, example two tables. One table is also used to primary key, and then second then that this key second table also work on foreign key. It is a what is a foreign key. Third one is a check 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 command also used to check the data and information. Okay. unique unique key also like a primary key, they were uniquely represent. Okay, fifth one is a not null constant also used to uh, check the not value and information or the not null, and null is a check the not null key also use constraint. Okay, thank you friends, bye.